Hi guys, this is Tejashvi back again. I just want to give two tips that would be helpful to use the ChatGPT in better way. So just go to your account and just go to the customized GPT you can find here, and just go to the customized GPT window, and here you can see the custom instructions. And you can just it just asks like what would you like ChatGPT to know about you to provide a better response. So you can mention like where you based out, and what's your designation, what's your profession, and what's your hobby, and what you can talk about, and the some goals you have. And apart from that, uh, like I have given like this is Tejashvi, surgery data engineer, and like all my skill sets I have mentioned, like focusing a little bit of AI and a few other tools what I have just mentioned there. You can mention in that column like in your account. And when it comes to the how ChatGPT would like to know and how it would like to respond to you is you can just give it has a 25 years of experience as a data engineer with all the cloud services AWS, GCP, and Azure. And all and its answer should be like more professional and more concise and more experienced and more with more expertise, so that you would get a better response out of it. And you can also mention the level of detail, and the tone is professionalism, and the level of detail is more comprehensive with concise summaries, and the clarity requirements, your answer should be more clarity, and your problem solving approach should be step by step procedure. So which means it's one of the prompting technique, which is a land chain prompting technique, to give answer the step by step, to ask it to give in step by step. And you can also enable this web search, and so it would go to all the web and give appropriate answer. And the DALI and code as well you enable these new charts. All the further charts would be enabled with these features, and you can save it. And later you can just go to this Chrome extension, and if you add this chat GPT microphone extension, so this would be added to your chat GPT so that you can speak to it like more clearly, and you can explain it more clearly using this microphone. You just click this URL, and you can just add this extension, the voice control for ChatGPT X Maya AI. And you can just go and just you can just click on this, and you can speak, just say hi, and it just tells like, hi, how can I help you today? So it just gives an answer. So it would be like more easy to explain anything better than a typing. It saves a lot of time. And you can just go to this your extensions tab and just see your extension here. I think this might, like most of you guys know this. Yeah, and that's it. And you can also enable your microphone to the Claude 3.5